Is the dreaded script hook v critical error ruining your GTA 5 experience?
Don't let this error stop you from exploring Los Santos. In this video, I'll show you simple yet effective solutions to fix this issue for good. Let's jump in.
Before we fix it, let's quickly understand the issue.
This error happens when script hook v becomes incompatible with your game version, usually after a GTA 5 update.
Knowing this helps us apply the right fix.
Start by downloading the latest version of script hook VX. Follow these steps. Go to the official script hook v website or a trusted modding site. Download the latest version and extract the zip file. Copy script through DLL, input 8 DLL, and nativity trainer ASI from the extracted folder. Paste these files into your GTA 5 main directory where GTA 5 exe is located. If script hook v hasn't been updated to match your game version, you might have to wait. While you wait, you can play GTA 5 in story mode without mods, join modding forums or Discord servers to get notified when updates are released. Reminder, never download unofficial script hook v versions. They can harm your game or PC.
And there you go, several ways to fix the script hook v critical error in GTA 5. If this video helped, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more gaming tips and fixes.
Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.